Stop growing your business, stop posting content unless you can master this one trait. My name is Shadow Cash. I help coaches and mentors scale their online info business. I personally scaled mine into multiple six-figure annual info business. And today, like I said, I'm gonna tell you the one trait that you need to master if you want to actually succeed with this. And don't post content, don't post anything unless you can master this. Micro speed and macro patience. Those are the two things you need to master to succeed, basically in anything, but to be specific in business and in your personal branding. Most people have this the opposite way. They have macro speed and micro patience. They're like, I want to succeed today. I want to succeed in 30 days, but I'm just gonna record one video per month. I'm just gonna, put the work in someday. When the New Year's hit, I'm gonna do the work. They're so fucking slow at putting in the work in, but they have these crazy expectations. And honestly, I cannot even blame you for having that mindset, because we all know those motherfucking gurus who lie to your face. They tell you that here's how you can make $1 million in 30 days, guaranteed. Motherfucker, that's not realistic, because business in the beginning is pretty much like this. This is business. It goes like this. First of all, you're not seeing much results. You have to do everything yourself. It's kind of slowly going up at some point, and then all of a sudden, boom, snowball effect. Okay, that's business. Obviously, this is 9 to 5. 9 to 5 goes like this. It goes like this, linear. But business is not fucking linear. In 9 to 5 job, you get those checks every single month. Like it's like that, right? And at some point, you may get some raises here and there, just small raises. It goes It goes a little bit up. But listen, you need to have micro speed. You need to just put the fucking work in. Work every single day like it's your last day on earth, bro. Like fucking work like an animal, okay? Work like an immigrant in your business, doing the right shit. What is the most high leverage task of your day? Probably recording videos, right? If you want to actually grow your business, your info business, you have to put the marketing out of the way. So just put the fucking work in recording videos, scripting videos. This is a high leverage task. I'm recording videos, educating people, right? And macro patience. Understand that you need to have big goals. You have to obviously know where you're going. You need to know what you want to achieve. But understand that in the beginning, it takes time. Okay, you need to just be patient, but have the zero patience in putting in the work in. Like, you need to just put the fucking work in. Don't be patient about putting in the work in. Just do the fucking job, right? Put the work in. And that's how you succeed. Like I said, most people have this backwards, and that's the thing that is holding them back. And if you have this reversed, you need to unreverse it immediately. For example, about micro speed. Today, I've already recorded 3 videos. This is my 4th video of the day. And obviously, I have 2 other long form videos that I need to record. And then after that, I have 10 short form videos that I need to record, etc., etc. And then I send it out to my editors, right? Guys, that is what you need to do. And obviously, you need to be smart with this. Micro speed, what is the most high leverage task, right? Recording videos. And what are some tasks that maybe some Vietnamese freaking, Indians can do for you? It's probably the editing. It's probably, all those other stuff. You need to outsource stuff, and you need to do the high leverage tasks and have zero patience in doing the work, right? You should also hire a sales team, right? Salespeople in commission. Sometimes I even like to join the sales calls, because I like to know my prospects and my future clients. That's in this kind of business, that's nice, okay? But you should still have a closer if you just don't want to join those calls. You need to do the high leverage tasks that actually only you can do, right? Obviously, in the beginning, you have to do everything yourself, and you should do everything yourself, right? To know what's good and what not. But yeah, obviously later you outsource and scale your shit. But macro patience, that's so important, okay? You need to understand that it takes time, man. It takes time. Business is fucking hard. When I started my business, I made my first dollar with pretty fast, but I understood the fact that to make my first $100,000, it may take some time. And it did take some time, but not too long. But here's the thing, most people are getting led a lie. Your fucking favorite guru tells you that it takes 7 days, 30 days to make your first 100K. But most people, when they try it and they understand that business is actually hard, they quit, right? But in fact, if you just have continued and continued that business, you would have seen that 100K maybe in 6 months, maybe in a year. And then from there, when you start to get those sales, the snowball effect comes. All of a sudden, bang, even more money. All of a sudden, you're making 10K per month. You're making 20K per month, 30K. Boom, your shit starts scaling. And when you hire a mentor like me who can scale your shit even better, boom, that shit goes high. Okay? So man, please remember this. Have micro speed in your work. You have to just put the work in and have macro patience. It takes time, but not too long. Okay? And you need to enjoy every single bit of your work. I'm literally having a blast right now. But yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And as usual, I will see you on that side. Peace out.